LoveHolidays.com honest review. Look before you search for hotel. You won't believe how much money travelers overpay simply because they book the first hotel they see. And that's where LoveHolidays.com can make a real difference. LoveHolidays.com is an online travel booking platform that focuses on affordable holiday packages, flights, and hotel deals, especially for European travelers. Here's what most people get wrong. They think package holiday sites are always more expensive. Love Holidays often negotiates discounted rates that can be cheaper than booking flights and hotels separately. You can search for flights, hotels, and complete holiday packages. Many listings include flexible payment options, allowing travelers to spread the cost over time. Love Holidays also features filters for budget, location, amenities, and star ratings, making it easier to find deals that match your travel style. However, the surprising truth is that customer support experiences can vary, especially during peak travel seasons. Response times may be slower during busy periods. Love Holidays is best for budget-conscious travelers looking for simple, affordable holiday bookings. The surprising truth is that smart comparison can save hundreds on each trip. Love Holidays gives you more price options in one place. If you want budget-friendly travel deals, Love Holidays is worth checking before booking elsewhere. Subscribe to the channel for more travel hacks and honest booking platform reviews.